Do you want a tiny piece of cheese?
The first thing I remember is Lucas.
She does seem to really like you.
Maybe that's a sign her home's supposed to be with me. Hi, Mom. I think I'm gonna call her Bella.
We played ball and we played Don't Choose Shoes.
Don't choose shoes.
That one was his favorite.
Bella, it's just snow.
I had a great family and a place to call home. Squirrel, squirrel, squirrel! I was lost
There's a dog. Looks like she needs help.
and a long way from home.
What's your name? Sophie? Sadie? Bella? Bella! Good dog!
The world was far bigger and more uncertain than I could ever imagine.
Hey, get out of there!
That dog saved his life.
So wake me up when it's all over. When I'm wiser and I'm older.
Hey, look, a doggy bag.
Time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost.
I discovered that every challenge I met, every fear I faced, brought me one step closer to the place where I belong.
So wake me up when it's all over. When I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost. Didn't know I